abduction. When you do abduction, what are the two movements that the shoulder girdle is going to do with you? Upward rotation and an elevation. So those are the two movements that you would want to make sure that you couple together with the shoulder joint that the shoulder girdle is going to help do. So elevation and upward rotation. So the next part of this question was asking, how does the traps work? So this question was asking you shoulder joint abduction. Do the trapezius muscles work at the shoulder joint in abduction? No. Right? Chance here. Okay, no. Where do they work? Do they work at the shoulder joint at all? One or the other?
No.
No. No. The shoulder, the trapezius is a shoulder girdle muscle, so it does not move the shoulder joint in any way. But what we were saying is, you do elevation and upward rotation. Do the trapezius muscles function in either one of these or both of these?
Either one.
Yes.
Either one.
Yes.
Yes.
So, which ones are working in this regard? So, the deltoid is the muscle that is doing predominantly this abduction. So that's what the question was asking first. What part of the deltoids are working? All three parts, anterior, middle, and posterior. All three parts of the deltoid are going to abduct the shoulder joint up throughout the entire range of motion. Now, the traps. The traps are working to do the upper and the middle are the predominant trapezius muscles that are going to be working here. Why would the lower not be a muscle that would be working in this regard? Because it does depression and not elevation. All three trapezius muscles do upward rotation, but only the upper and the middle also do elevation. The lower is doing depression. So it wouldn't be helping you as much as the top two trapezius muscles. However, if you had to make a chart for upward rotation, and you had to list your upward rotators because it was working concentrically, you would want to make sure that you put the lower trap in there as well.
Is that a hint kind of thing? Is that a hint?
No, it's not a hint. No. So this is how the deltoids are working, and this is how the trapezius muscles. Upward rotation and elevation is done by these two of the trapezius muscles. There's more, but this question was just asking about the traps. Upward rotation of all three due to elevation as well. This is what the asterisk for Sarah was meaning, that all three do upward rotation. However, these two